Hi, I'm Cecilia Metra. I'm a professor at the University of Bologna in Italy, and I'm one of the directors of the IEEE in 2022 and 2023. I would like to share with you our prediction that Trustworthy AI will receive a significant boost in the coming years. And this because we are talking about AI in almost every application fields nowadays, but we need to guarantee the explainability and trustworthiness of AI, and particularly of the AI algorithms, code, tools, and hardware that is executing the AI algorithms. And there are several challenges to be faced. There are several issues to be addressed, just like data fairness, the robustness and reliability of the hardware that is executing AI, and much more. But to hear more about the opportunities and the challenges for a trustworthy AI, I would invite you to read more in details our predictions. Thank you.